Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone, including issues like blurry camera, freezing, call drops, or FaceTime not connecting. Right now, I'm using my iPhone 17, but in your case, it can be any iPhone. These fixes will work the same. So let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Toggle FaceTime off and on. First, I'm opening Settings. Now I'm tapping on Apps. Then I scroll down and tap FaceTime. Here, I'm turning FaceTime off, waiting a few seconds, and turning it on again. This refreshes FaceTime and fixes most minor glitches. Solution 2. Check FaceTime activation and sign in. Now I'm checking if FaceTime is activated properly. If it shows waiting for activation, it means it's not fully active. So I make sure I'm signed in with my Apple account. Then I check this section. You can be reached by FaceTime at. I make sure my phone number and / or email are selected. Without this, FaceTime calls won't work properly. Solution 3. Check internet connection. FaceTime needs a strong internet connection, so I'm checking if I'm connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the connection is slow or unstable, FaceTime may freeze, lag, or show a blurry video. You can quickly test by opening YouTube or Safari. Solution 4. Fix blurry camera on FaceTime. If your FaceTime camera looks blurry, first I'm cleaning the front camera lens with a soft cloth. Now I'm making sure there's enough lighting. FaceTime quality drops in low light. Also, I close background apps so the camera gets full performance. Solution 5. Check screen time restrictions. Now I'm checking if FaceTime or camera is blocked. I go to Settings. Then I tap Screen Time. Now I tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then Allowed Apps. Here, I make sure FaceTime and camera are turned on. If these are off, FaceTime won't work at all. Solution 6. Reset network settings. If FaceTime is freezing or not connecting, I reset network settings. I go to Settings, then General. Now I tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and select Reset network settings. This removes Wi-Fi passwords, but fixes network-related issues. Solution 7. Check date and time settings. Now I'm checking date and time. I go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and I turn on Set Automatically. Incorrect date and time can cause FaceTime activation problems. Solution 8. Force restart iPhone. If FaceTime still freezes or crashes, I do a force restart. I press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then press and hold the side button until I see the Apple logo. This fixes system glitches. If this video helped you, comment FaceTime fixed below. If you're still facing issues, tell me your problem in the comments. I'll help you. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.